What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
Is it going to rain?
Yes, later in the evening.
How cold is it?
It's 9°C.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love snow.
Is it windy outside?
Yes, very windy.
Is the sun out?
Yes, it's bright.
What do you need?
I need some water.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Do you eat?
Yes, I had just lunch.
Where is Mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Who is calling?
It's Henry.
What's for dinner?
We are having pasta.
Can I watch TV?
Yes, but only for an hour.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m.
What happened?
I lost my dog.
Where is the toilet?
It's down the hall.
Why are you late?
I got stuck in traffic.
Are you sure?
Let me think.
Where is my phone?
It's on the table.
How to go?
Go by bus.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Who took my book?
I don't know.
Why is the door open?
I forgot to close it.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I did.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Can I have some water?
Sure. Here you go.
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet.
Where is the teacher?
She is in the classroom.
Where is my eraser?
It's on your desk.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Can I borrow your notebook?
Yes. Here you go.
Who is your best friend?
You are my best friend.
Are you ready for the exam?
Yes, I have studied.
How much is this?
It's $9.
Is this fresh?
Yes, it is.
How late are you open?
Until 9 p.m.
How do I get there?
Take a taxi.
When does the train leave?
At 4 p.m.
How long is the flight?
More than 2 hours.
Can I get a window seat?
Let me check.
Do you have a map?
Yes, here it is.
Are you okay?
I feel sick.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Did you take medicine?
Not yet.
Do you need a doctor?
Yes, please.
Did you get hurt?
Yes, a little.
What do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What's for breakfast?
Toast and eggs.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
Is it too hot?
Yes. Let it cool.
Can I get the bill?
Yes. Here you go.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What's your hobby?
I love painting.
Where are your parents?
At home.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Can I use your phone?
Sure. Here it is.
Is the battery full?
No, it's low.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
Where did you meet?
At school.
Why are you upset?
I had a bad day.
Do you miss me?
Yes, a lot.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, daily.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I do.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 40% off.
To get more educational video, please subscribe Easy English channel and like and share.